Hey guys, Baban on PC here. Today I will be showing you how to turn your phone into a sick webcam. So let's do it.
Hey guys, here we are at the PC right now. So, how to turn the phone into a web camera? Actually, into an amazing web camera that can record up to 4K resolution. That is amazing, of course. Um, what we need to do is we need to install an application on our PC and on our phone. The app is really small and it's so easy to set up, you wouldn't believe. So, let me show you right now how to do it. So, open up the browser and just go to erion.com. I will leave the description in the links below. Let me just switch to the smaller camera. Okay, now we are on the smaller camera. So you would need to download this application for your PC or phone, respectively, right? If you are on Windows, obviously you need a Windows installer. On Mac, you need a Mac installer. Ubuntu, you can use too, of course. So um, the great thing about this application is it works wirelessly and it works with your USB connection. So wirelessly, you would just need to make certain that your phone and your PC is on the same network. If it's not on the same network, it will not work. So let's go straight ahead and download the Windows installer since I'm on Windows. Like you see here, the application is only 6.4 megabits large. Once you downloaded the what's it called, the installer, open it, and it will start the install. Let me bring it right here. So license agreements, just click on accept and click on next. Uh, Choose the location where the applications should be installed. I just leave it on C. It's only 6 megabytes, so it doesn't really matter. So click on install, and here we go. Okay, now the setup is finished. Now we need to go onto the phone. So let me just plug the phone in real quick on the USB since I want to use the camera on the USB. Let's unlock it. You need to go into the Play Store or the App Store and download Erion Webcam uh, for your phone. So once you downloaded the Erion Webcam, I have it right here. You need to open it, and it says waiting for the connection. So we need to here go and finish the setup, and it will start the webcam. The webcam will show up really fast. So like you see right here, it's already working. So this setup takes only a minute, guys. Just a minute, and you will end up with an amazing webcam. Video format, this is the best part. The absolute best part of this camera is that you can choose the resolution. It goes all the way from 360 to 4K. 4K resolution is amazing. So let's just close this one down. I believe we can close it down like that. And let me show you on this on the let's actually show you on Discord. Wait, let me type in Discord. Let's open Discord and let me show you how it works, how you set the application up on the Discord. In the speech and video, you scroll down to video options, and you will see here a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu, and now you see the Erion webcam. Once you click on it, boom, it's straight up connected, and you can use it for Discord. You would obviously need to mount it nicely so it looks like it should look. But yeah, this is how you would uh, set it up on Discord. Let me show you how to set up the application uh, to work on Streamlabs, so you could stream over your webcam. Hit the plus button right here. Go to the wait, go to the video capture device. Click on Add Source. Let's make a new one. Add Source. Then you will see the drop-down menu. the drop down menu. When you click on it, you will see a few of the sources that you have. We need the Irion webcam. Click on the Irion webcam, and here we are again. Now you can configure the video output. Just like you can choose the resolution here. Click on custom, and right now we are on 4K. Oh, 4K is pretty amazing, I think. Look at this quality. Whoa! Okay. 4K is a little bit overkill for me. I want to do it on 1080p. So you choose 1080p, click on done, and boom, here we are. Guys, check out this quality video. I mean, it doesn't get better, really, does it? Maybe with a DSLR, but then you would need to spend thousands of dollars. So yeah. Oh, almost dropped my phone, guys. So yeah, let's remove the source again since I don't need it right now. So pretty cool, is it? And my video collapsed on my webcam. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you do it. Like you've seen, really easy setup. You can use it on everything: Skype, Discord, Streamlabs, OBS. I don't know, everything that uses a webcam, you can use this on. Like you saw, it's easy as pie to set up. Just, you know, just easy. So if you find this video helpful and you made it your phone work as a webcam and you are happy with it, please hit the like button and maybe even the subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. I also stream every day on Twitch. I stream usually games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare and FPS shooters like that. If you like to follow me on there, I will leave a link in the description again. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.